Hi guys, after a long time we're going to upload a video. Sorry for the delay to uploading the video. To based on the content, how to host the website like free of cost with our own subdomains. If you are really new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and click a bell icon for the future videos. If you really like our video, please hit a like button. It will motivate to give a new content. Let's move on to the video guys. I already mentioned that we are going to host a website like a free of cost, and this is a site like netlify.com. If you are a web developer, some might have know this site, rest of them knows not know this site. If you are a new user, like you need to log in the site. Like if you click the login button, it will redirect to the site. If you have a GitHub account, you will log in with the GitHub account. If you do not have a GitHub account, you do not know what is the GitHub. I have already created some of videos to how to upload the website and GitHub. The video content will be in the descriptions. And if you have been logged in with the GitHub account, I have already have a GitHub account. I will log in with the GitHub account. Like I will click the GitHub, it will redirect to the site. This is the main site called netlify.com, and this is a site. If you scroll down, here is the options called browse to upload the video. We can drag and drop also, we can browse it also, it's not an issue. If you click the browse to upload, it will redirect to the page. I have already created the project called dynamic creations. If you simply click the project, if you need to upload the project, if you have drag and drop or simply click the upload button, it will already upload the button. It will redirect to the upload page. And once the content is uploaded, it will redirect to the another page called the link has been generated newly. If you click the link, it will redirect to your site. This is a site I have been created some of form creation like register page. And one more thing I need to clarify that in the index.html, the paging of HTML page, you need to give the name called index.html. If you do not give the name index.html, the site link will not be work. Based on the content, it will not be displayed in the browser. This is a scenario we had been host our website in the live server. Here is the URL. I already mentioned that this is the URL called. You can add this URL to your portfolio projects or your resume. Based on the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the link and the site will be working on the process. If you need to change the link with your own subdomains, wait and watch. If you need to click the domain settings, it will redirect to the another page. I will explain one by one. Afterwards, you need to change the domain name. You will need to click the domain settings. It will redirect to the another page. The page is called like this. There is the option called edit your site name. If you click the site name, this is a default site I have been given. We need to erase that. If I given the name called dynamic grid, I have been given the name called dynamic grid creations, and I have been given the site name have been changed dynamic grid creations. If I click the link, it will be redirecting our site. If you can copy this link, you can host your add your resume or portfolio site. This is a video guys. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for the future videos. If you really like our video, please hit a like button. Okay guys, let's see you on next video.